Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing. If you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe because you're going to learn a lot of things. So we are going to design an invitation card using Canva. So if you don't have Canva, download it from your Play Store. When you download it, you just sign up with your email. It's going to open up like this to you. So click on this search bar and type invitation card. There are so many types of invitation card, so we are just going to be creating wedding invitation card and a birthday invitation card. So when you have typed, click on this arrow that is pointing, this purple highlighted arrow. So when you click on it, it's going to bring out already existing templates that you can customize. So whether you are using Canva free or Canva Pro account, there are so many templates for you. So I'm going to be customizing this one. It's a free template. You can see you don't need to pay anything for it. So when I click on it, just tap it and allow it to load. So all these things uses internet connection. So it's a simple wedding invitation card. So what you do is just to check the card and re-edit the information, like please join us in celebrating the wedding ceremony of, you put your name, just tap on it and you just change your name. If you want to change the font, it's up to you, and the size. If you don't like the style, it's up to you to just click on fonts and change it after typing your name. So you can also, and you put your partner's name, your husband or your wife's name, depending on the one that comes first. So you just still change it, like I just highlighted here, your spouse name. So the date, the year of your wedding, you can change it. The time, this one is 6 p.m. I'll just put 10 a.m. Wedding is supposed to be in the morning. So but it's actually just a template. You can always customize it to the time you want. You put your location, you put looking forward to seeing you all, sponsor, RSVP. If there is any information you want the attendees to note, maybe if there is a dress code, color of the day, whatever. So I'll just go to elements to just search for location icon to add it. That was not part of the template, but I just wanted to add the location icon. So go to graphics in the element section and choose any location icon. You can see a lot of location icons, so I'll just choose the one I want, like this one. I'll scroll down to color, and because I want it to have the same color with this design, so I'll just come down here, because one thing Canva does is that every photo that is in your design has a photo color, so you can easily find the color of the design and use it whenever you want. So you can see the location is here. So any other information you want, if you want to move these flowers, it's up to you. If you want to change the background, it's all up to you. If you feel this is okay, that's good. So if I just scroll, I can easily create a new page by scrolling. So you can see I have 2 new pages. If you still want to add more information, you can go there. If not, just click on design and type in the search bar birthday card or birthday invitation card, so that we can create a new card. We have already created one, which is the wedding invitation card. So if you have questions, you can drop it in the comment section. If this video is making sense to you, like this video. So I'm going to customize this one that is here. I like it. It's very simple. So there are no many things to add. Join us to celebrate birthday party, so and so. If you want to add the name of the celebrant, is all up to you. If you want to change this thing, you can see it has 3 colors. I'm just going to change one of the colors. I'm not doing it because that is the best color available. I'm doing it just to show you that all these templates are customizable. You can change anything you want, you can delete anything. If you feel these all these elements that you can see, even these celebration icons, if you feel that they are too much, you can delete anyone that you don't like. But if you feel that they are okay or you want to add more, you can also add a birthday card. You can do a lot of things with Canva, and with Canva templates, whether you are using Canva free or pro account. The next thing I created is Christmas card, but I'm going to link the video to this particular video. It's very easy to create. So if you check the description of this video, you'll see how to create a Christmas card. So if you are done, just click on the download button and download all of this to your phone and share on social media, to invite people. So if this video makes sense to you, I want you to ask your question. If you have any question, like this video, share this video with your friends, to tell them that they can easily create digital card without stressing themselves, from the comfort of their home and in just few minutes. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the bell notification to know when we upload new videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.